Dji Osmo 360 official specs are here. The wait is over. Dji Osmo 360 just had its specs leaked, and wow, this thing is a beast. Dual 1-inch sensors, f1.9 apertures. That means insane low-light performance, better stitching, and crazy sharp image quality. 10-bit color, D-Log-M, and to point for micrometers pixels, giving you 8K 360 video and a 77% image boost over standard 5.7K cams. 4K 120 with 175, 5K 60 with 155. In 360 mode, 6K 60 or buttery smooth for K1010 minutes of 8000 recording or 180 minutes. Yes, 3 hours of 8K. Magnetic quick release, inch thread, magnetic charging, and full Osmo action accessory support. Hands-free gestures, voice commands, and dual mic support with Dji's new Osmo audio system. Comment below and hit that sub button on more gear leaks coming soon.